G'day. Let's take a walk through this bypass ring. We'll start with, it's made in 3 parts. The ring sizer, making of the bypass curve, which is going from the offset girdle curve down around to the ring curve, and making the gemstone and claws. First part is simple. It's using the ring sizer. We can change this to any finger size, and it changes. Okay, notice how it changes the curve here. When you go to 11, you can tuck this and adjust this here. So it works with the finger size change. So whatever you see, you can adjust to the finger size, okay? What we're doing, let's turn off the ring circle. Let's turn off the gallery here, the under gallery, and the gemstone. And let's turn off the ring. We'll turn on the curves. And we're pulling the curve to a surface, which is, this curve is being pulled to the tube surface here. Okay. We're adjusting the points. Okay. From here we're finding 2 points, which are these 2 points. This end point, and this end point on the curve. Okay. Pull the points. We're getting the start and end points. We're using that point, which is this point here, to create this curve, which is this line here, this straight line. And we're using the open part of the curve, this part here. Okay, we're using that curve. We're mirroring it to the opposite side. So now we're going to join this top curve, this portion of the curve here, using this line to do the bend between curve. So we're going, now we have a curve. We have the curve that sweeps up. And we have this curve here. And we're joining them all together to create this curve. Okay? That curve we're rotating 180 degrees. And then we're joining them together and rebuilding them to smooth it out. From there, we're using the 7-point curve to create a 7-point profile that makes the sweep around. So first we find the curve, and because we've made the curve here based on the offset girdle curve, when I change the shape, we're always using the gemstone girdle curve. So as you change the shape, you're getting adjustments. So we bring it to the end, and that creates that space. The next step is the gemstone. And the gemstone seat is created here. We're using the gemstone, we're using the offset to make the seat here. We're using that, creating a surface, and then extruding the surface, which makes the seat, and we're dividing the two with a cutter. And then we're putting in the bevel, the second cut there, to make the seat. Okay. We're grouping those all together and moving them to the top of the ring. So we can adjust these easily. Now we can go left, right, but we just want to go up and down here. So we're going to adjust these to where we want it to sit. And that is the bypass ring. So now you can play with it. You can change the shape. Now when you see it flip like that, all you need to do is come over here to the profile curves, rotate them around, and there you have it. Okay? The beauty of doing things parametric is you can change shapes of things. Let's do triple sharp. Now we can do a triple sharp and then do a triple sharp here as well, but you can see that it won't be bezel set, so we can actually go in here and add some claws. Now if we want to adjust that, so we can make this claw set if we want. So there's many variations of the same ring just by playing around with sliders. So there's a different style of ring right there. Go back, change it to a cushion. Okay, they flip down here. What did we have to do? We had to change the rotate the curve. sometimes it's good to have the crosshairs on. It gives you a better sense of symmetry. Now, if you want, you can clean up that kink up there as well. Come back to the reference curve. Remember this. Okay, we're coming around the ring. We can scale it out in. Let's go like this. Let's go like that. And the other one would be the bend here. You can bring it in tighter. That looks pretty. So there's many ways to adjust this. We can use this here as well to adjust it, see? Sliders allow you to make many changes. Thank you for watching.